just super heavy.
Nah.
Whoops.
That was fun. What the other one?
Here we are.
Got a GoPro the other day.
Number 3?
Nah, number 2. Got cheap off a mate, so comes with a heap of accessories and shit, so it wasn't too bad. Hadn't used it much, but
It's going the wrong way. Yeah, that's pretty fucked, that one. That's like borderline.
on its last legs, that one, yeah.
These two here.
You'd get a little ratchet or something, but yeah.
Disconnect these two as well.
Spanner over.
Slide it out. Sweet. Bring that back. Push it. Sweet. Okay. There's those two. What did we do with this last time? I need something under there to support it. Bucket. I'll drop it.
Fucking brick.
Handbrake. This is true backyard type shit. Yeah. Alright, now. Gotta take it up from the top. How did we do that again?
Undid it.
We just undid that top one, didn't we?
Pretty sure.
Because I'm expecting like three bolts to be there, remember?
Yeah, yeah.
Do you want to hold the breaker bar? I reckon this goes this way. dodgy. I reckon we did use it because look at these fucking things here. Okay, it's coming. Doesn't want to give up though.
Pretty fine with that. Put it on way too tight last time, kind of shit.
Yeah, it does a good job of fucking holding its. It's like fucking gripping the whole way. Oop, I'll get that out of there. There we go, that's it. Why is this so much harder to get it in there? Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah.
Top one again.
Yeah. Do we need an extension on that one? Did we use the extension last time?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll make it easier. It's all fun and games.
Hold that.
Wish I had a machine that did this for us.
Wouldn't be bad, eh?
So why are we replacing these anyways?
Makes a huge grinding noise. I think the bearing one fucked.
Yeah?
Yeah.
On which side?
The left one. Which was this one.
We're gonna find out, aren't we? But wasn't it the driver's side that popped out?
Yeah.
Weird.
Yeah. There you go.
No, that's easy. Would be too easy.
Some of there's no pop.
No, that ain't gonna pop.
A little bit. Remember which way?
Yeah.
Oh, the instructions tell me.
Oh man, we were working on that fucking booth for ages.
Yeah.
I was like, fuck it, let's just go get some fucking zip ties. I think that even then after that it was fucking difficult. I'll just get the bottom one. You've got new boots, don't you?
No.
landing boots. Right then, I'll be gentle. So we're keeping this boot. So we'll keep that. No, you've got a whole new one of these, don't you?
No, just the rubber bit and that and that.
Oh, cool.
Just got to get that out and the bump stop.
Yeah, I was pretty surprised with the quality of it, especially down at the drags. Fucking, like, YouTube doesn't really justify it, but when you watch it in like real HD, it's crazy.
Drift kid?
Not Drift Kid.
He drives a V8.
Drift. He works at Barossa Wine Valley.
Yeah.
Barossa Winery. Wine Valley.
New York, man.
Drift. Not Drift Pig, because he's dead, isn't he?
Yeah. Your side on?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, apparently he's pretty good, and they're like sponsored, like to go to Tokyo and New Zealand and shit like that.
Yeah. That the old one?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
This one goes on here.
They still look like old sponge on top, eh?
Yeah, they do.
The rubber.
I want to know his name now.
Dude down the water one's got a drift car as well, Elizabeth. He's Alex, got I'm sure it's some import, Toyota. Is that one of the dudes that's out there in a 4-door Toyota drifting?
What, something weird like a Crusader or something?
Yeah. Remember that Crusader on Mighty Commodores?
Yeah, the one from the import, and they chopped it. So that seems to be it.
2J conversion.
Yeah. Yeah, I bought a pack of 10 just shitty ones for like a few dollars, free postage.
Yeah.
I ordered them before I even got my iPhone 5, so you know, you couldn't. There was really no guarantee
that it was gonna fit. And shit.
Yeah, right dimensions and all that shit. But they seem to get it pretty alright. They're just shit quality though.
Yeah.
Like because mine's a wallet, where my cards sit, sort of scratches it.
Alright.
Yeah. And then I'll feed this through and you fucking just put it on there and sort of get a thread on it so we can just start screwing. Yeah. Oh, fucking hell. You do it? I did that then.
It's alright.
Fucking John's here.
It's all on camera check.
Yeah.
On my bed stand.
Which one was it, this one?
Yeah.
Gone?
Straight on.
Sweet. I moved it a little bit more to the left, so...
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, you could tell there was a extra little.
Yeah. Sweet.
close. That one's like 2.5 threads out, the other one's 3.
What's that?
She's up now, Nathan too. She added.
Oh yeah. Postman!
Ever see those kids again? Pinch a lot?
No, I haven't seen them. Thanks. Little shits, they are. Sweet. Gotta remember this. It serves a purpose.
Minor important one. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Both come in there. Cool.
Hard to change the brake discs, you reckon?
These?
Nah. These best?
Yeah.
Thinking of upgrading them too.
Should be able to pop that out, there should be a fucking thing in there. Come on, come on. Put that on wrong. I don't like these brake things. There we go. That went in the nice and smoothly. Oh yeah, this one too.
The one that working does something. Yeah, unless they made my...
I didn't tighten up the other side, remind me to tighten up the other side of this one.
Yeah,
Did I do it?
Don't know.
I don't think I did.
We'll get back
I
on
just
then.
think
Double
tighten.
check them.
Yeah. Sweet.
Mind you, I did do that once before on my old set of wheels.
Did you?
Took them off. I only charged them like $20 a wheel or something.
That's alright. Not too bad.